Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy comments on Instagram. So before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and you simply need to select any post and click on comments. And here you can see that there is no option. So you simply need to scroll. Let me select another post because this is an ad. So let's suppose this one. So you simply need to click on this and here you can see there is no option to copy. So here you can see that. So how you can, if you hold that, you can see only the select option and you can report this comment or block the person. So let's suppose if you want to copy any comment, you simply need to take a screenshot and after that you need to open gallery and click on albums, click on screenshots, and from here you need to select the picture and here you need to click on Google Lens and click on text and it will select that. So let's suppose I want this text only. So you simply need to select this text, click on copy text, and after that you are able to share that anywhere. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.